The National Investigation Agency, or NIA, has announced a major breakthrough in the Rameshwaram cafe blast case that shook Bengaluru last month. According to the agency, the two prime suspects behind the explosion have been apprehended in a joint operation involving central intelligence agencies and police from multiple states. The suspects, identified as Musawir Hussain Shehzab and Abdul Mateen Taha, were arrested from Kanti in Bengal's East Midnapur district. Shehzab is believed to have planted the explosive device inside a backpack at the popular eatery, while Taha is accused of planning the attack and orchestrating the escape.
हमारे पास एक इंफॉर्मेशन आया, बेस्ड ऑन दैट इंफॉर्मेशन, उस इंफॉर्मेशन के ऊपर हम लोग काम किए और एक जॉइंट ऑपरेशन में स्टेट पुलिस एंड सेंट्रल इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजेंसीज का एक जॉइंट ऑपरेशन में इंफॉर्मेशन मिलने के 2 घंटे के अंदर हम लोग जो बेंगलुरु रामेश्वरम कैफे ब्लास्ट है उसके 2 जो सस्पेक्ट थे उनको डिटेन कर पाए। हम फिर से बोल रहे हैं कि हमारे पास इंफॉर्मेशन आने के विदिन 2 आवर्स जो जॉइंट ऑपरेशन हुआ उसमें हम विद सेंट्रल इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजेंसीज स्टेट पुलिस हम लोगों को ये सक्सेस मिला और बेंगलुरु कैफे ब्लास्ट के 2 सस्पेक्ट को हम डिटेन कर पाए। थैंक यू।
Hailing from Karnataka's Shivamogga district, Shehzab and Taha were traced to Kanti after extensive searches conducted across Karnataka. This marks the second and third arrests in the case following the apprehension of Muzammil Sharif, who provided logistical support to the perpetrators. Thankfully, no fatalities were reported in the explosion, as the bag containing the explosive were placed in relatively less crowded area against a large pillar that absorbed much of the impact. In the aftermath of the blast, the NIA released photos and videos of the suspects captured by CCTV cameras in Bengaluru. One such clip showed the accused wearing face masks boarding a bus just an hour after the explosion occurred. The Rameshwaram cafe, which suffered extensive damage, reopened its doors 8 days later with enhanced security measures, including metal detectors, to prevent such incidents in the future. Subhashish Govekar and Sangeeta Oli for Goa 365.